giving any question. They are just saying to just write. They'll just give the questions, and we need to find the answer and write. So I'm asking whether those questions are important or not.
Yeah, definitely. What the teachers are saying that you should follow, that those questions are important only.
But English ma'am, I never give question answer. She says just to frame on your own and do.
English, you just read the lesson and understand the story. Anyway, English, they'll be asking, they'll frame questions and only ask in the board examination. So you cannot, like in 9th standard from book and from your classwork, they may be asking questions.
Yes.
But in 10th, they'll be framing your questions. So you just read the lesson and understand the story. Then you can write in your own words.
Oh, okay.
See, everyone, you can ask doubts in audio also, no issue. But only thing why I am avoiding that, so everybody will talk now, then it will be difficult. So only we are asking you to write in chat box. Okay. And Uday, you can just speak somewhat more louder. It is audible only, but if you speak louder, it will be easy for all.
Okay, sir. Yes, social. Actually, first you should be sure about NCRT. You should complete NCRT fully. Then for question answers, you can use reference book. I used Oswald Question Bank. That was very helpful.
Uday?
Yes.
You have written at English question answers by your own in boards?
Definitely, because they won't be asking the questions which are there given in the book back. So you should only frame on your own.
What about grammars?
Grammar, what your teachers say, that will be enough. They will teach grammar.
From that only questions will come.
Portions will be from that only.
Oh. No, I'm just saying that you have written question answers. No, in that any grammars, maybe sometime mistakes. No,
no that when you read the textbook, it will be, you will understand it. You should not make any grammatical mistakes. That you should take care.
But now see that some poems, like very short poems. No, in that how you can frame question? But because only in that 2 to 3 paras will be there. That's all. And how can you frame the questions in that?
Poems, actually, your teachers will be telling you to make a summary of the poem.
She will be saying to do mind mapping.
Mind map, summary, anything you can use it. Poems, mostly they'll be asking questions like they'll be taking one word from the poem, they'll ask meaning of that word. They'll just ask about the meaning of the poem only. They won't ask question answers and all from poem.
Oh, okay. What did you understand from this line like that?
It will be like comprehension only.
Oh, okay.
Jyoti, actually, for which subject you are asking, is NCRT enough or we should refer any other guide?
For all subject.
For English, NCRT is enough. Just read NCRT, you can understand the lesson and you can write the answers.
Especially for maths and science, I'm asking.
Maths, first you should complete NCRT thoroughly. Then you can use any other guide if you want for just practicing extra problems, you can use that. Like RD Sharma or Teachers Forum, you can use it.
Then science?
Science, if you understand from NCRT, it is well and good. If you don't understand the theory, you can take all in one.
NCRT ko prepare.
And all in one, you will also get practice questions after the chapter, so it will be better. If you want more questions, you can take reference books.
Okay, thank you.
See, maths actually I went for tuition, and morning tuition used to be there alternate days. Tuition also they'll give some homework, and school also my maths ma'am used to give many problems. Then some 1 hour maths I will be studying. Maths, if you understand the concept and practice problems, no, it will be easy.
Uday, is it necessary to refer a guides for maths?
No, maths, if you finish NCRT, then you take extra questions, previous year questions you can solve if you want. If
Did
you
you solve
understand
now?
it, I solved from teachers forum previous year questions, and my maths ma'am also used to give many questions, so it was not necessary to take that much extra guide. So I took only one guide, teachers forum.
After writing the paper, we can cross check with the experienced teachers, right?
But I didn't understand. After writing the paper,
No, after writing that previous year papers, we can ask the teachers to check it, or they may not. They will correct our papers.
no, actually in school itself they keep many tests and all pre-boards, and for us they kept many tests in 1 mark and all. So that and all they'll correct.
But now you can see, no, lockdown is there. So if in case we can send those questions and answers to the ma'am, will they correct and give?
You can request your teacher and ask about that. I don't know.
Oh,
Pranav, ma'am said you can send, okay?
okay. Uday, no?
Yes, say.
For science chapters, no, which chapters are should be more focused?
Science you cannot say, but focus more on. Okay, focus. Science,
That
all
means
the chapters are important. Chemistry, all the chapters will be asking questions. You
any
can learn
chapter
all the
like
chapters.
just for 1 mark it is like that.
Just for 1 mark. Only, but physics, those lessons, general lessons will be there, like sources of energy, like that. Some lessons are there.
Yes.
That you should just understand the concept. No need to read fully and all. But from that 1 marks, they will be asking.
Will they ask any questions related to that lessons?
Question answers. Sometimes they may ask. But anyway, you will get R options if they ask some big questions and all.
Oh,
So you can choose which one you are more familiar with.
okay, okay.
Uday, one doubt ra.
Say.
How to attend practicals ra? How to get full marks in that?
Practicals.
Experiments.
Practicals actually they'll be showing you in the class, I think. For me, chemistry, ma'am showed it in the class. Physics, we did practicals.
You went to the lab, no? That day.
That lab the teachers will show you.
Okay. Ra.
First they will
Practicals
show us.
they will show you. You won't be doing any practicals in 10th, I think. We didn't do practicals. We did only for physics, we did. For that refraction, only one thing we did. Practicals, internal marks, just classwork from there, that only they'll take.
Okay, okay.
Uday, you can see the chat box. What are the things?
Yes, sir.
Social 1 marks they will ask, no? How did you study that? Ra?
1 mark, you should read the whole textbook.
Okay, from question answers mostly they'll give from inside text.
Question answers, if you read the textbook, you can answer the question answers easily.
How many times did you read the NCERT book, that particular chapter?
How many times? In school, they'll be keeping some 3 or 4 revision exams, full portion exams.
Oh,
If you study for that focused, now it'll be very easy only.
okay. Okay.
P.A. Shivani has asked about different sets of question papers. Okay, from that, set A, set B, set C. They will be somewhat similar, but some 2 or 3 questions will be different, and the order also will be shuffled. Did you follow any timetable for studies? Timetable according to school only. For example, tomorrow if you have some test, I'll study that subject more. And all subjects you should uniformly balance it and study. You should not study one subject too much and another you should not leave it. Should we refer any guide for social, because social board exam is very tough. Social, if you read NCRT fully, I think you no need guide, but if you want the question answers to be given concisely, you can buy question bank, Oswald question bank, that will be good. How did you manage time for each subject? How long do you study a day? How long do you study a day? That depends upon the same factor only. Always, if you have a test tomorrow, I'll be studying more. Otherwise, just you can revise what is taught that day in school.
The revision is important, no? For revision.
Yes, revision. Revision is important. It will be automatically you will do revision. See, in school, before the board exams, you will be having 3 to 4 full portion exams. So if you study for that exams properly, your revision will be good.
How did you manage that Hindi muhavare?
Hindi muhavare, actually I studied that 100 muhavare something will be given in first part of your guide, no?
Yes.
Yes.
From that I studied fully from that, but from that they didn't ask anything. Only two muhavare out of 4 I think came from that. Rest 2 I wrote on my own only. Muhavare, if you understand the meaning, it will be easy.
But from inside lessons also, ma'am will give no muhavare.
That you study, that will be good. Social questions will be from inside book. Social 1 mark questions, definitely it will be from inside the book only. And question answers, they will be asking general questions. If you read the lesson, you can answer the question answers. You can also refer Oswald books. In that question answers will be given. But don't study only the guide. You should also study NCRT book and guide. How you prepared for social exams? Social, that only first you study NCRT, then you study the guide for question answers, then it will be over. Book, if you study from the book, you will be covering 1 words and you will also get idea about the lesson. Then if you study the guide, you can be sure of your question answers. If we prepare NCRT thoroughly, is it enough or should we refer other books in order to score good marks? For English, NCRT is enough. Maths, if you want, you can refer other books for solving problems. Then social, question bank in your school itself will say to buy, so you can purchase that. Then Hindi golden guide, ma'am will say to buy, so you can purchase that. Science you can take NCRT, but for problems, extra problems, you can take all in one book. It contains both theory and problems, so you can purchase that also. Did you solve R.D. Sharma? Actually, I didn't solve R.D. Sharma. I was solving teachers forum. I didn't purchase R.D. Sharma because my max ma'am gave many extra problems from various books, so I didn't need R.D. Sharma. How did you prepare maths question for boards? Maths, if you understand the concept and practice many problems, maths will be easy. Did you solve R.S. Agarwal? No, I did not solve R.S. Agarwal. Max, should we refer any other guide than R.D. Sharma? Max, one guide apart from your book, it is enough. Don't need to refer any other guide. Only one. How did you prepare for Max question for both? Max, you understand the concept and keep on practicing. That's all Max you can do. Did you solve R.D. Sharma? No, I did not solve R.D. Sharma. Which types of guides did you use for each subject? English, I did not use any guide, only from NCRT I studied. Then Max, I used teachers forum and extra problems given by my teachers. Then science, I used NCRT and all-in-one extra guide for problems and extra questions. Social, I used NCRT and Oswald question bank. What are the things we should keep in mind before writing board exams? Board exams before writing, you should not get frustrated. Already in school, you will be trained well enough to write the board exams because they'll give 3 or 4 pre-board exams, which will be full portion. So board exams, it will be easy. Just don't get frustrated. Just write what you know. It will be easy only. How to study science? Science for all the subjects, you should just you should focus in the class. In class, you should not be chatting and while teachers are teaching. You just listen to the class, then half of the work is over. Then go to your house. This just revise what the teacher taught that day. All the subjects, similar thing only you should do. In board exams, they ask old year question. Do you mean previous year questions? Satya and SM.
Yes, bro.
Previous year questions. Sometimes in science they will be repeated, but mostly they will ask previous year questions in the same format. Just they will be changing the values. Just twist the question and ask. How can we manage time? See, time you just study your school teachers what they are telling. Then after that, don't get distracted in too many other things like mobile, etc. In 10th, it will be easy to manage.
But teachers are giving so much to write. They are
Writing
saying
work also you should do.
if you are not writing, mark will be not be given, and like they're giving so much all the subject that day they are giving 100 things to write.
Writing work you should definitely complete that because that will be taken for your internal 20 marks. Writing work you can complete. First you come home, just finish the writing work, then you can study, or you can study then finish the writing work. That depends on you. If you focus properly, easily you can finish the writing work and the study. In board exams, did they ask 9th portion? No, only 10th they'll ask. 10th is just an advanced form of 9th, so it will be easy only. But physics, 10th physics will be different. It will be simpler than 9th.
But in last year they asked a little of ninth portions.
In which subject?
Max.
Max, which one? Anyway, if it was 9th portion, it will also be taught in 10th. So don't worry. What you learn in 10th, that is only enough. 9th portion, which one you are telling, Nakul?
That one question will come that real numbers like that.
That everything that they ask, no, they will be teaching you in the class.
Representing in decimal form that.
That they'll teach you in school anyway.
Okay.
If we learn from NCRT books only for board exam, only that good, or should we learn from other reference book? Already I told you that English only NCRT is enough. Hindi golden guide you can use. Max NCRT plus any other one guide. Then science you can use NCRT and all-in-one you can use for problems. Social you can use NCRT, then Oswald question bank, that's all. Then for long question, did you refer any guide? Long question in social or science? MS Pranav.
All subjects.
All subjects long question. See, already if you study the chapters completely and thoroughly, long questions, short questions, all will be easy only. How much hours do you study each day? As I said, that depends upon how much work I have. For example, tomorrow if I have test, I'll just complete the test portion. Otherwise, just you can revise each days thing that was taught in the class. Will they ask optional exercise? Optional exercise, if you know the concept properly, you can easily solve optional exercise. But for us, I think optional exercise did not come. For us, max paper was easy this year. So optional exercise they didn't ask. MS Pranav, will it be based on our understanding? Which one? I don't understand your question.
Long questions.
Long questions in all the subjects only you are asking, no?
Yes.
You just read the chapter thoroughly. Then your teachers will give questions that you can learn. Then your reference books, they'll be having questions you can learn. For social, this you just read the lesson and from all and see Oswald guide. Yes, Oswald you read the question answers. Then book you should read. Maximum times you revise, that will be better.
But otherwise, this time no, they are giving only MCQ questions, but they are not keeping any theory test in our school. Not MCQ, but they are keeping in our school only just MCQs. So will it
Yes.
be useful for that? Will it be useful?
MCQs it will be useful because 20 marks MCQ will be there in science, maths, social. 20 marks MCQ is there. So definitely you need, because many will study just from guides. They will score in question answers, but MCQ they won't score. So MCQ test is essential. What about Hindi questions? It will be from inside the book or exercise. For us in this year in Hindi, actually we studied question answers from Golden Guide only. But in my set, question answers came from inside the book only. We wrote it on our own. For another set, I think I don't remember the set number properly. For one set, it was coming from exercise. But for two sets, it came only from inside the book. Hindi, you should know to write on your own at least somewhat. Otherwise, Hindi, if they ask from inside the book, you cannot write properly.
If it is 5-mark question for all subject, how much we should write? 1 page or 2 page?
5-mark subject. 5-mark questions for see social, you should put it in points and rate. 5-mark questions, you can write 6 to 7 points. You should write. Don't mingle 2-3 points in one paragraph and don't write like that, because they will be checking a number of points and what is given the content inside the points. Social and all you should put points and rate. Science you can use points, but English you should not use points. English you should write in paragraph form only. For
They
5-mark
want small
questions,
doubt.
for 5-mark questions you should write minimum 6 to 7 points.
They one doubt, small doubt. As you said, for 5 marks question, we need to write 6 points. Suppose in NCERT itself, there are not 6 points, but only 5 points. Then we need to frame our own sentence and write.
No, NCERT it will be given for some questions less points will be given. So you can just frame any other extra sentence. But sometimes they'll give mark if you write what is given in NCERT. But if you cross 75 out of 80, they'll be somewhat reducing. So more points you write, it will be better. But don't want to frame extra unrelated points. You study or at which time do you play? In 10th, actually, after morning I was having tuition, alternate days. So morning I'll be going for tuition. Then after that school, then evening I used to come home. Then I used to play till 6:30, 7 o'clock. I used to play basketball only. Then that was useful for relaxing. Then after that, some 7 o'clock I used to study. 7 to 9 like that I used to study. What type of questions are asked in exams, NCERT or any guides? It will be mostly from NCERT, but some 1 or 2 questions you can expect from guides. In the sense, it will be given in NCERT inside the in between the chapters. It will be given. So if you are thorough with NCERT, you can answer it. Well, questions come from Golden Guide Hindi. Questions they will come from Golden Guide Hindi, but you should not rely fully on that, because for my set, not even a single question came exactly from the guide. They asked just in between the lessons. But whereas for another set, same my set, I think Alex, he got the set which had questions from Golden Guide. So that depends on your luck, which set you get. So you should be thorough with the lesson. You should understand the lesson.
Can they ask
May I
5
know
marks? Can they ask 5 mark from inside book?
5 marks? I don't know about this year's pattern. That you can ask your teachers. May I know your study schedule during your preparation for boards? Study schedule, that you just prepare for the examinations that they conduct in school. Automatically you will get ready for boards. Should we study दोहों की आशय? If you just understand the meaning, you can write in your own. If you don't understand, you have to study. Did learn from classwork or not for board exams? Classwork, they're just for internal marks. You won't be writing everything in your classwork. For Hindi, we just wrote 6 to 7 questions, I think, in the classwork. So definitely you should not learn only from classwork. You should learn from textbooks. How did you feel just before going to the exam, just 5 minutes before entering the exam hall? As usual, we all felt nervous. Did you prepare from classwork or not for board exams? Classwork, if you prepare, it won't be good. You should just prepare from textbooks and guide reference books. For social and all, if you just prepare from classwork, it won't be enough, because for social, teachers will be telling to write just some 5 or 10 questions for in the classwork. That will be as a record for your internal marks. So you should prepare only from textbooks. Any important tips for boards? Tips: learn all subjects equally. Don't say I don't like the subject, so I won't learn. You should learn all the subjects, because that will affect your total. Then just follow what teachers say. That will be very helpful. Then don't mug up. You understand the concept, you can write all the answers on your own. For social, any GK questions came or not? No, GK questions they won't ask. Everything will be from NCERT. This year's pattern, you can ask your teachers. For my set, they didn't ask anything outside the book. Everything came from inside NCERT textbooks only. Did you have fear before writing board exam? Yeah, a little bit I was nervous. Internal marks, will they give full marks? Internal, mostly they will give full marks. If you submit your classwork on time, they will give full marks. So internal, you don't need to worry. Numericals will come for 5 marks. Numericals in science or maths you are asking? Science numericals, they won't ask, very rarely they will ask one question for 5 marks. Mostly they will divide that 5 marks into 3 or 4 questions. Each separate questions they'll be asking. Should we study all subjects in a day or alternate days? That depends upon you. For me, I used to study what they revised in the class. I mean, what they taught in the class, I used to just have a glance that day. Then school, they used to keep tests that for test you should study properly. Then your subjects will be good. All subjects in a day or alternate days. If you want, you can study. If you have time, you can study all subjects in a day. Physics, chemistry, will you make running notes during class? Physics, chemistry, we used to take notes in the textbook itself. We used to write. Then social notes is very important. During the class hours, you should just take notes of what ma'am is teaching. Physics also you should take running notes. Actually, physics and chemistry classwork you should write from running notes only. For biology, you can make running notes. That is your wish. For social, definitely you should make running notes. Because for revision, you cannot just read the whole chapter, whole textbooks in 1 or 2 days.
What is the beneficial of making running notes? Just that.
Making running notes, your revision will become faster. You don't have to read the whole textbook before 1 day before exam. So running notes will be better. And from running notes only, you will be asked to write your classwork. What about maps and social? Maps in school, they will conduct tests. From NCRT, the maps will be given. You should just you should know where all the places are. Many maps will be given. Some main places will be there, like previous year questions they'll be asking. From that you can study, or the teachers will tell the correct questions from map. How to learn for chemistry and how to solve the sum? Can you give tips? Chemistry with sum, you are asking balancing equation. Shubayu. Balancing equation.
Yes.
Balancing equation, it will be simple. You just learn and you practice more, it will be simple.
Okay, Anna.
During gap between holidays for exam, did you read the book again or what? You're asking during study holidays, did I read the book again or some notes? Certainly no, MS Pranav. Yes, definitely during the holidays for exam. For board exam, you will get many days for
Board
holidays.
exam gap. Board exam gap. Did you read the book again or just you go through some notes or something?
For board exam, for Hindi, we had only 2 days, I think. So I just read the guide very fast. Then social, we had some 5 days, I think. I don't remember properly. Social and all, you should read the book once again. Otherwise, you will forget your one word.
Or else, while reading the book, we can form one words in a note and then we can revise.
That will be very useful. That you should make notes extra for social. One word notes. For max, we had 1 week holiday, so max no problem. All the problems you just do again. It will be easy. Did you study any online courses such as Byju's and Vedantu other than tuition? For max, I went to tuition. I was using Byju's for science.
Only for science, no?
Science, max also I will be watching, but science major main purpose I used it for science because max already I was going tuition. But if you are going for science and max tuition, no need to use these things. Which tuition did you go for max? I went to Sujita ma'am's tuition. What is your motivation? You have to fix a goal. Like I want to get 490 out of 500 in board exams or something. You can fix your goal. Then you have to just work for it.
Say, voice is lagging. Can you repeat, Uday?
Motivation, actually, you have to fix a goal first. Like I want to get 499 out of 500. You should fix a goal. If you have a goal and if you really want to achieve it, you will automatically get motivated. What is your ambition? My ambition is to become an IITian. Professor MS Pranav, what is it? Professor in IIT? No. Actually, I want to study in IIT and become an engineer. How about district rank? I have no idea. Do you like to give us any advice? Any advice? You follow what your teachers say. That will be very good for exams as well as your life. Then you should not be studying 24/7. You should also have some time for relaxing. Okay, but you should not always be relaxed. You should spend time for relaxation as well as for studies. Relaxation, you can do whatever you like. I liked playing basketball, so I was playing that. That helped me to relax. Any tips for boards just before the exam? Just before the exam, don't panic. Board exam will be very easy. You should have that kind of mindset. Then you should revise properly and go because you will be writing whole portion from the first chapter you learn till the end. So first chapters and all you should revise properly, otherwise you will forget. So revision is must. What is the thing which kept you positive all the time? Positive all the time. Actually, I wanted to get very high marks in board, so I was aiming for that. Then from activity, question may come. Yes, it may come. They'll ask you about color of some compounds. They'll give you an equation and sometimes they'll ask the color of the compound. So activity you should learn. Diagram from activity.
From chapter.
What? I didn't understand. Can you repeat it again?
Diagrams you should practice to learn to draw. What type of diagrams they may ask from, or they may ask on the spot, or what is given that book they may ask.
What is given in the book only they'll ask. But for us in science, one extra question came. Actually, it was about you have a lesson called light reflection and refraction. In that lessons, you will be learning about convex lenses and concave lenses.
Yes.
Separate drawings will be there for convex and concave.
Yes.
But
Yes,
in exam, they asked us to draw bifocal lenses, both joining both convex and concave lens. That was out of the book. Should we practice proofs in mathematics? Is it that important? Yes, proofs you should practice. Proofs are important. Diagrams in bio. Biology diagrams, you should practice all the diagrams that are given in the textbook. What are advantages of getting good marks in board exam? If you get good mark, you will get the group which you asked for. Otherwise, it depends on your luck whether you get the preferred group. For 10th board exams, only group matters. Did you feel happy after becoming school topper? Yes, I felt happy. Who do you give all credit for your success? Success, school and school teachers. They are the main reason. Did you write and learn long question answers for boards? Long question answers, if you want to learn something very fast, you can write and learn. Actually, for me, I didn't write and learn long question answers. But during last times, during the end time, like revision time, I was writing Hindi to improve my speed. You should write and practice a lot. Because if you write and practice, then you can improve your speed. That will be very essential for completing the paper in time. How did you feel after knowing that you have become school topper? I felt happy, that's all. How did you manage flute classes? Flute class, that will be, I think, 1.5 hours I was having. During when the days when I had flute class, after coming from class, I used to study. And also in school, you will get many free periods sometimes. That and all you should utilize properly. We want to mug up or understand. Of course, you need to understand. If you mug up, you cannot do mathematics and science conceptual questions you cannot write if you mug up. We can use gel pen in boards. You can use, but ink is preferred, ink pen. When you were writing the exam, did you feel that questions have come as you expected? I felt questions have come as I had expected in mathematics exam. Maths, I expected it to be tough, but it came very easy, so it was good. But in Hindi, I expected it to be easy. Questions came tough. It was just from totally inside the book. So Hindi, it was tough during the examination. You said we must not be engaged in gadget, but for us everything is e-learning. So what to do? I said you must not be engaged in gadgets. I meant about games, social media sites, etc. E-learning, definitely now you should do only that. You should not play games. Waste too much. Don't waste too much of your time in games. Maths, can you give some tips for us in board exam? Max only thing you should practice. You practice maths will be very easy. What about Hindi grammar? Hindi grammar, Kokila ma'am will be giving many questions. You do that, it will be okay. If you understand Hindi grammar, will be easy because for us, Hindi grammar they did not ask anything from previous year questions. Hindi grammar, they just took a sentence from the lesson and they asked us to convert into various forms like Vakya Badliye. That one they asked. Hindi grammar, if you understand, it will be easy. Which teachers taught you in school which you feel helped most? All the teachers helped most, especially in maths and science. Maths ma'am used to give a lot of extra questions. That was very helpful. Social ma'am also, she'll be giving tests. She'll be giving tests regularly. That will be very helpful. How to prepare Vakya? Vakya, what Kokila ma'am says, learn that. That will be enough. If you understand that, you can change any kind of sentences. You cannot expect the same thing that you solve that you change in the class. The same thing will not come for boards. For me, like I said, whatever I practiced from that, nothing came from boards. It came from the lesson. They will take a sentence, and from that they will ask Vakya Badaliye. So if you understand the how to change properly the sentence, you can easily write. What about English grammar? English grammar also your teachers will teach and give practice question. English grammar for me it was very easy this year. Easy question paper for grammar came. We have tests in school, but rarer than what to do. You just learn and you can write own. See, for that only you can use reference grades. In reference grades backside you will be having many questions. You can practice that. Can you say your preparation process for English board exam? See, English for us they gave many days as study leave. For English it was very easy. What I did English just you read all the chapters. In the study holiday for board exams, you should read all the chapters once or twice. I read 2 times both the books. You read the chapter English, it will be very easy. Then rest all English comprehension that will be from the passage. And English you should have good vocabulary because from the passage they'll be giving a word and they'll ask to select the meaning of the word, synonym, and sometimes they'll ask antonym, that is opposite. So you should have some good vocabulary in English. Can you please say your revision timetable? My revision timetable actually revision timetable during study holidays for boards only you're asking, no?
Yes, for board only.
Revision timetable that depends on how many days you have study holidays. For Hindi, I had 2 days. So first day I finished 3/4 of the studying, that is of for lessons. Golden Gate 3/4 I finished. Then second day remaining chapters, and after that grammar. For maths we had 7 days, so maths was not a problem. Easily all the chapters I did all the sums once again.
For English?
For English that you should read the lessons. If you understand the lessons, English is 90% over. And after that they'll be asking general questions from inside the lesson that you should be able to answer.
And for science?
Science you should read the NCRT. It is mandatory for board exams. For your school exams, if you don't have time, for example, tomorrow you have test and today you have not studied, you can use reference books. Reference books will be useful only for school exams, that too when you don't have time. For board exams, you should confirm focus on NCRT. For chemistry, NCRT is best in 10th. For others also NCRT is best for biology and all. For reading NCRT, you need time. So for biology, during school tests, when you don't have time, you can use reference books. Otherwise, NCRT only you should read.
Thanks, Anna.
You told that you got a week for max. Then did you practice the whole book once again? Yes, whole book once again I did. If you have more time, you should revise maximum number of times. That will be very helpful. Max, you need to have speed and accuracy. That will come only out of practice. Did you memorize chapter paragraphs fully in social? You need not memorize. You should just understand what that lesson is about. History, just you understand the story, you can write on your own. Then one word you should definitely remember and memorize. One word. Dates and all you should memorize. Do you prefer a specific guide for a specific subject? I said English, you don't need any guide. English only NCERT is enough. You read lessons many times. English will be okay. Then Hindi, definitely, I think Gokila ma'am would have said you to purchase Golden Gate. That is best for Hindi. Maths, NCERT you should do completely. Then you can use any other one guide if you want to practice more questions. RD Sharma or Teachers Forum. I used Teachers Forum, but RD Sharma is also good. Science NCERT you should do. Then you can use all-in-one guide for science. For
I
social
think,
yes, sir.
yes, complete it. Yeah.
For social NCERT you should do NCERT only one word you will be able to answer then only. Then for question answers you can use Oswell. If you should study Oswell and NCERT for board exams. Then your social you will get full marks.
So I think it was I think all your doubts have been cleared. All your questions have been answered by. And if you have any further questions, you can forward to me. I will ask Uday and come back. I will inform you. Okay. So I just request Uday to share something which keep all of you motivated during this year. So just to give some words of motivation to our students today.
First you have to fix your goal. Like for example, I want to get 490 out of 500, 499 out of 500. You fix your goals. Then automatically you should work towards your goals. That should be your motivation. Motivation, you should get self-motivated. You just fix your goals and work towards it. That's all. How to prepare for letter writing for both English and Hindi. Letter writing, everything teachers will tell you. So no need to worry about that. Hindi essay, you cannot be sure which question will come. For me, essay was some other topic. I never knew the topic before. Essay, you should have some general knowledge about the topic. And also in board exams, they'll give the topic and they'll give some subtopics. From that, you can develop the essay and write. You should have some basic knowledge about Hindi. You should write in your own words. In the advertisement, Kokila ma'am will say you just follow that. Advertisement is the easiest part. You just draw advertisement, you just put here and there, you get 5 marks. That will be very easy. You should just follow what your teachers say and what they'll be giving many extra questions. For example, in maths and all, we solve many extra questions. Science also we solved many questions. Social, they'll keep regularly tests. If you follow that, you will get good marks. Out of syllabus questions will come. Very rarely, I think out of syllabus nothing, it won't come mostly. For us, only one question came that was not there in the book. That was that bifocal lens, both concave and convex together you should draw. That you don't need extra knowledge and all, just drawing only, that will be easy. MS Pranav, what you're asking for math? Max out of syllabus it won't come. Actually, max out of syllabus, they'll just twist the question and ask. If you know the concept properly, max it will be very easy. How did you prepare for computer science? Computer science actually it will be easy because this year you'll be having Python only, so it will be very easy. Cost 30% is reduced, so it will be easy or tough. Yes, for you, I think in civics many chapters are removed, so it will be simpler. About exam, I don't have idea. That you should ask your teachers. No, computer science is not there for 10th board exam. What relevant topics you read more for all subjects? Relevant topics, first you just finish NCRT. Then if you are more interested and if you have time, you can read relevant topics. You just search in Google, that's all. But I think it is not required. You should finish NCRT first. How to be one step ahead? One step ahead, you just, for example, today your teacher finished the first half of the chapter in, say, chemistry. You go home and revise the first half, then you can just read once the next part also. So this way you can understand better when the teacher teaches in the next class. More than your completing syllabus, the number of revisions only will matter. So just don't read one topic, one chapter one time or two times and then leave it. You should revise, otherwise you will forget. What subjects did you choose in 11th? 11th, I have chosen computer science, physics, chemistry, maths. What made you to choose computer science? Computer science, actually, I want to become an engineer, so I need physics, chemistry, and mathematics. So this was a group.
Where did you lose mark?
Where did I lose marks? In Hindi, 99 only they'll get. I don't know. I think 1 mark I missed in grammar. English, I think they reduced my marks in essay and one mistake. I think I don't know exactly. And science, I think one question they asked a general question. From that marks went. I think that's all.
Hey, how many times did you wrote essay? How many lines?
How many lines? I think I wrote for 2 sides. Two or 3 sides I wrote. Word limit will be given in the question paper. You just follow that.
Thank you very much, Uday, for sharing your time and your advice with our students. I hope all our students will take that spirit, what is shown by Uday in board exams, and they match his performance and even supersede his performance in the present year board exams. I wish all the best to all our students. I wish best of luck to Uday also for his future. I wish a very bright future for Uday. Thank you,
Thank you,
Uday.
sir.
Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Uday.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Anna.
Uday.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Uday.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Uday.
We can leave, sir.
Yes, you can leave. Thank you, everyone.